If someone is troubling you or you are not being heard anywhere, then you can directly complain to the Chief Minister online. There are different websites to complain to the Chief Minister in all the state, but the process is almost the same. So in this video, I'm going to show you live how do I make an online complaint to the Chief Minister. So let's start. Firstly, to complain to the Chief Minister in any state, you will search for complaint to CM. Then you will write the name of your state, as I write here that the complaint to CM UP. So you will see that the website of the sub-state has come from here. The first one, you just need to click on first option, first website. From here we can complain to the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. This website is official website for grievance. You can file your complaint by clicking on the complaint registration. Here the given 4 option. In this you just need to click on first one for complaint. We can see the status of the complaint by clicking on the status of the complaint on the second number, and you can send a reminder from here if no action is taken on our complaint in the given time on the third option. Whatever we have complained about, after it is solved, you can also give your feedback from the fourth option of feedback. So let us file a complaint, for which we will click on complaint registration on the first option. After this you will see this option. You just give the consent and click on submit. But first you just need to read this given matters about what you cannot file a complaint. You cannot complain about the matters which come under RTI, which is given. So just give a consent and submit. Here you will see this option. This is the registration portal. All you have to do, just enter your mobile number or your email ID. After that you just need to enter this captcha in the given box. After that you just click on send OTP. Now a OTP has been sent on our mobile number. We will put it here. You will submit this by entering this form here. After that the form will appear in front of you. So the first option is a group complaint. You will see if you have any group complaint, then you can click here collectively. But if you are single complainer, then we will put your name here. Just put your name here. Then after your father name, choose your gender here, and if you want you can enter any mobile number for emergency. What kind of complaint do you want to make? Complaint or someone you want to give advice or something else? You will choose it from here. Now you will choose your department from here. And after that you will choose your category from here. Just choose your category. After this you have to write in the details whether you want to complain here. You will type here, either type or copy paste. After this you will choose your area, which is either village or town, and then in this you will choose district. Tehsil will choose here, and here you will choose the development block. After choosing the Tehsil, and here you will choose the Gram Panchayat. You will choose your village here, and over here you will choose the police station as well as. After this, you will enter your address here. If both your address and this address are same, then you will click here. The above address will be pasted here. If you have filed earlier any complaint, then you should tick here. But we didn't complain before, so we will uncheck it here. We just uncheck this option. If you want to upload any proof, then you can upload your proof by clicking on upload here. File sizes should be maximum 500 KB in the format of PDF, JPEG, PNG. After that, we will click on the save buttons, which is given on the bottom. And then this screen will appear in front of you that your complaint has been registered and the complaint number has been given here. You have to save it. It is very important. After this, you have to wait for 15 to 30 days, and at any time you can check the status of your complaint by clicking on the status of your complaint. For which you will enter your complaint number here. Here you will enter your mobile number. Here you will file the CAPTCHA. After that, you will click on submit. So you can see what is the status of your complaint. You can print this status by clicking here. Here you can see your full application which you have complained about. If 1 month has passed and no action is taken on your complaint, then you can send a reminder from here. After that, you will see this page and you just need to enter your complaint number and click on search. Then it is written here that your complaint is still under process, so you can bring it in front of the authorities again by sending a reminder. So I hope you must like the video. If you like the video, then like and share with your friends. Till then, bye, keep learning.